The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-tech unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by the company Northrop Grumman for long-range surveillance and reconnaissance missions. It can remain airborne for more than 30 hours without landing. The Global Hawk made its first flight in 1998 and entered service with the United States Air Force in 2001. Since then, it has supported military operations around the world. One of the aircraft's greatest strengths is its ability to fly at altitudes of over 60,000 feet, 18,000 meters. This allows it to observe vast areas while staying above many air defense systems. The RQ-4 is equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and synthetic aperture radar, SAR. These systems enable it to gather intelligence during both day and night and in almost any weather condition. The aircraft can transmit surveillance data through satellite communications in near real time. Commanders can receive critical information quickly and use it to make informed decisions. With an endurance exceeding 30 hours, the Global Hawk can monitor large regions far longer than most manned aircraft. This makes it ideal for long-duration intelligence missions. Despite its large size and impressive wingspan, the Global Hawk carries no weapons. Its primary role is intelligence gathering, surveillance, and reconnaissance. The drone has been deployed in operations across Iraq, Afghanistan, North Africa, and the Indo-Pacific region. Its collected data helps support air, land, and naval forces. Several variants of the Global Hawk have also been used for scientific research, weather monitoring, disaster assessment, and search and rescue support missions. Today, the RQ-4 Global Hawk remains one of the most advanced surveillance drones ever built. Its combination of long endurance, global reach, and powerful sensors makes it a vital intelligence asset for the United States.